Hey everybody, OK Fixer here. We've got a generator here that makes noise when you run it, and the brushes are really tired in it. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to rehab it. We'll see how far I can go. Oh, I wanted to show you this. I got some new screwdrivers for Christmas. These are Milwaukee's. Look at all the features on these screwdrivers. Ergonomic handle, and I'm not getting paid for any kind of advertisement for Milwaukee. I'm just saying, got a hole through them for a little, maybe a little leverage or to hang up. Check out which one's a straight slot and which one's a Phillips. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. How many times have you had to come up with that? Also, they're marked really clear. Hex shanks, so you can get a wrench on it or a vice grip. Look at that nice tip, and I've been using them a lot, and hasn't chipped away or anything. And the Phillips bit is still nice and sharp. $20 for a set. Oh, they were beautiful. Okay, back to the generator. First thing I want to do is see if I can get this this pulley off, and it should come off because I had it off before, and then we'll promptly lose the key. I wonder if I can put two screwdrivers up in that. I don't have another. Oh, that'll work. Let's see what happens here. Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice? Now, as much as I want to not take that key off there, I'm going to have to. What is with this? What's the deal here? Let's see if I can get it straightened out. Like the table I ate at Olive Garden last night. It was the same way. Crazy Rocky. Well, I'll try to fix it later. Got to put up with it for right now. Find a pair of vice grips to get that out. I just don't want to come out of there. Look at that. Man, that was a bastard. Okay. And I just put it in there. Alright, let's see here what you got. That 10? I'm acknowledging the mark that I have there from the get-go. It's a little much to be taking these screws out. It was handy. Okay, looks like I'm going to need something to put that Put all the parts in. Yeah. Alright, there's that. Put this on the floor for right now. And then we'll put this right behind us. Pardon me. Oh boy, that felt good. Alright, let's take our fan off. Let's have a look at what you got. Let's see if you guys can see. Yeah, okay. I think that's a 36. Same as axle nut. No left-handed shenanigans. Alright, this is how this come off, and it's stock. I never had it apart. There's the nut. The washer and the concave part went outside. Fan. And a shim. A shim. So here we're gonna, yeah. And a collar. Got another key there. That ought to be another fun one. Let's see here. Let's see here. It seems that if the generator was up like this, let's see, where would it be? Like that? No, the ground is up. Have to be like that. Okay, the generator is up. That's the way it goes in because there's the ground strap and okay. So the outlet to the fan is on the top. Okay, so we're going to make sure that we have the outlet to the fan going upwards. If that makes any difference, but we're going to put it back together the way it came apart. Oh, look, they just disappeared. Come on, one more. There you go. And they should have some washers here also. Okay. We're going to... let's have a look at the inside of this, but I'm just going to look at it for right now. There's some crap in there. Uh-oh! Yeah, there's a ring here. Let's see here. I think it goes in here like this. There we go. No. How's that going to go? Would it go like that? Or would it go like this? I know it wouldn't go like that, because if it went like that, it went like that, it would fit like that. And it needs to fit like that, I think. Yeah. What would be the benefit of that sitting like that? I don't think so. I think we have wear marks. We have wear marks around there where it's been sitting like this, and then we have these two contact marks. That's the way it sits, is like that. It has to. So we'll set that aside. There she is. Yeah, take this one out. Let's see how hard this is going to be. Of course. Yeah, that's funny. We'll leave that on. Let's see here. Looks like there's 2 screws right there. Now, the bearings are here and here. So, we'll see. I saw a neat way to get these bearings out of the case, and we'll see if that way works. Now, before I go and take these out, I'm going to mark these. Mark that. Come on, Granny. Giving me the breeze for. Put a little mark on there. See if you guys can still see. Let me back you up a little bit. You're a little close here. There you go. You can get a couple of screwdrivers on that real quick. I have to take the brushes out of this first. Set this kind of well, take the brushes out. Then, oh, I did a number to my nail there. looks like we got some wires up in there too. These are going to have to come unscrewed. So we'll do that. No, stop. Just take this out. Just take your commutator out, or your windings and everything. Oh, gee. This is just down in the bottom. Yeah, that's nice. What the hell was that? That had to have gone on here. Had to have gone on there. Yeah, there's the bearing. Ooh, cheesy. She's got some lumps in her. Yeah. She has some lumps in it. Let's see. How are we going to get that out of there? We can just pound on the threads with a hammer. That'd be a good idea, yeah? Let's put it in the vise and tap, tap, tap. I think I might have did a number on my threads here just a little bit. Nothing you can't fix though. So evidently that bushing go on the outside. I'll have to look back and see where that came off. Let's see where you guys are at. Can you see what's going on? Let me get you a little bit better. Looks to be like there's two screws here. Yeah. There's the bearing. There's the bearing right there. Cap on it, a little cap. Is there a little cap? That's the way it came off. Came off right like that. Bearing went right in there like that. bearing went in there like that, pushed out. It's kind of wacky. Let's see here. I don't know if that's going to go like that or like that. Probably like that. And it has to go like that. There's the bearing. And it's a little, I don't like it. This one's probably okay. That one's probably okay. There's the bearing. Now, let's see if we can get this bearing off. What do we got going on here? Well, it looks like we got the same kind of setup. We have a collar, and we have a piece like this, a piece like that goes in there. I'm going to trim that up a little bit on the grinder, just a tick, just to take the burrs off of it, and wire wheel that a little bit. So give me a second. Oops, sorry. Get you this affair that I got going on here. Come on. Oh, come on, Granny. What are you giving me the breeze for? Jeez. All right. All right. I have a puller. And what I did is I put a socket. I probably end up having to somehow get it out of there. I don't know how. So I could be flat on that, so it wouldn't screw up the threads too bad. And then I took the jaws and I ground them just a little bit, so probably this puller's done, unless I get other claws, or I'll just relegate it to rebuilding generators, I don't know. Okay, so the bolt comes off, or the nut comes off. Sorry, fat hands in your way. And we have the collar, and we have the same as this, and then let's try this, see if we can't just tap that off of there. There she is. And there's our bearing. Here, this is the bearing that's making noise. I'll let you listen to it. Hold on a second. Let me zoom. I'll let you listen to it. I don't know if you can hear that, but I definitely can feel it. It's all choppy. So, let's see if they're the same. Probably. The Germans wouldn't do that. See, that one's nice and smooth. Well, it's got a little chop in it. I think they're the same. They sure look like the same. Okay, let's go down to the bearing company. I can't remember what this place is called, but every pretty big town has a bearing company. And we'll see how much I pay for these.